Over the last few weeks, cases and hospital admissions in the United States had been coming down since early January, and deaths had been declining in the past week. But the latest data suggests that these declines may be stalling, potentially leveling off at still a very high number. We at CDC consider this a very concerning shift in the trajectory. We are watching these concerning data very closely to see where they will go over the next few days. But it's important to remember where we are in the pandemic. Things are tenuous. Now is not the time to relax restrictions. Although we have been experiencing large declines in cases and admissions over the past 6 weeks, these declines follow the highest peak we have experienced in the pandemic. We may be done with the virus, but clearly the virus is not done with us. We cannot get comfortable or give in to a false sense of security that the worst of the pandemic is behind us. Not now, not when mass vaccination is so very close, when what we need to prevent this is truly imminent.
The point that Dr. Walensky made is critical. If we plateau at 70,000, we are at that very precarious position that we were right before the fall surge, where anything that could perturb that could give us another surge. You know, we don't want to be people always looking at the dark side of things, but you want to be realistic. So we have to carefully look at what happens over the next week or so with those numbers before you start making the understandable need to relax on certain restrictions.